What is the role that you actually played in the arrest of PRRD and his transport to The Hague? Anong papel po ninyo doon? Kasi lumalabas yung pangalan ninyo sa resibo at yung pag-turnover. Staff, ipakita lamang. Ito, yung transfer of custody, surrender and transfer. Andyan po. At kayo po ang nakapirma at alam ito ni Secretary Senator Cayetano. Bakit kayo ang nakapirma?
Opo.
Ano po yung papel ninyo ron?
Ganito po yan. Ma'am, I was there to oversee the smooth arrest of the former president. Now,
So, nandun kayo sa Villamor?
Opo, makikita nyo naman po dun sa mga videos na lumabas.
Hindi ko po maalala kasi hindi ko kilala yung mga taong
Opo.
doon.
Ngayon, doon naman ho
Madam
sa...
Chair, excuse me, Madam Chair.
Senator Pato, please.
Since when naging function ng special envoy yung pag-oversee ng operations, ng pag-aresto?
Kasi,
I'm sure, special envoy ka, trabaho mo is outside. Envoy ka doon para mag-represent. Pero when it comes to operational matters, kailan naging trabaho mo yung pag-oversee ng operations?
hindi po ako nag-oversee ng operations. Yun lang kung sitwasyon dahil ang PCTC ay ang aming Secretariat and Operational Arm.
Not even the PCTC, I suppose. Because PCTC is, sila lang nagkukontrol ng NCB.
Yes,
diba?
Opo.
O, sila nagkukontrol ng Secretariat.
Opo.
Pero
Sila po yung Secretariat namin.
Pagdating sa Interpol, halimbawa, ganito, meron tayong General Assembly ng Interpol. Sino nag-head of delegation?
PCTC.
PCTC?
PCTC.
Ikaw, General Marbil, hindi ka pa ba nag-attend ng national, yung General Assembly ng Interpol?
Sir, umattend po last year po.
Last year?
Opo.
So, sinong head of delegation?
Ang nandun po si General Alcantara pong kasama po namin.
Because when I was the Chief PNP, lahat ng ang head of delegation, yung Chief PNP. Tapos, head of delegation ng ibang bansa, yung uniform talaga na police agency ng kanilang lugar. Kaya yun yung alam ko kasi yung PCTC naman is NCB lang ito. Sila yung NCB, pero when you say police agency, PNP talaga ang head niya, di ba? At nagkakaroon ng General Assembly, kayo ang nandoon, di ba?
Actually, sir, dun sa ibang country, sir, ang police lang, ang isa lang po ang law enforcement nila. So, usually, the head is the chief ng National Police Lab. But in our country, we have so many law enforcement agencies coming from the NBI, the Philippine National Police, of course, ang kasama po namin immigration.
Kasi makita mo, di ba? Pag Interpol General Assembly, naghawak kamayan lahat ng mga chief ng puro uniformado yan puro mga chief ng police agency nila, di ba?
Kaya nakakagulat sa dinami-dami ng police agency na sinabihan ni General Alcantara sa NBI, si Chief PNP, sabi rin ni General Torre, bakit biglang civilian at hindi kasali sa law enforcement ang nag-oversee? Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin ng oversee?
Ma'am, kasi nga ang aming PCTC is our partner, our secretariat. I was there to oversee lang the PCTC, which is
oversee them?
Which is the Interpol NCB Manila.
Madam Chair.
Teka muna, nalilito ako, di ba, nandun ka? Bakit alam mo nang itatangay sa ibang bansa?
Hindi po.
Anong ginagawa mo doon? Na-serve na, nabigay na yung kopya sa lahat. Anong ginagawa mo doon? Anong ginabangan mo?
I was there to assist the executive director, ma'am.
Was the executive director in Villamor?
Naroon po ako. I was in the plane and I was in the 250 in Villamor.
Even without a red notice, nandun na kayo, nag-aabang na.
I had a red diffusion po.
Yes, but the diffusion, we have already said ad infinitum that this is not an arrest warrant, di ba?
Yes.
Paliwanag na yun.
Tama
Ikaw
po yun,
nagpaliwanag
We had the red diffusion. I had to carry it
Request for information lang, di ba?
Hindi po, ang red diffusion po is a request, is an international request for international cooperation or an alert. Ang red notice po ay ganon, ang diffusion po ay ganon din, pareho lang po.
Ganun nga. Kaya nga,
Yung diffusion po is resorted to if there is urgency, importance, element of time, kaya po nagiging diffusion.
Hindi, ang liwanag naman, action
Opo.
to be taken, locate lang eh. Locate lang and possibly arrest with a view to extradition.